Welcome to our channel. If you're a veteran applying for VA disability benefits and want to maximize your chances of approval, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Gather your military service records, including DD-214 or other discharge documents. These prove your service and character of discharge, which must be other than dishonorable. Step 2. Obtain current medical evidence documenting your disability. This includes medical records, test results, and physician statements connecting your condition to your military service. Step 3. Create a va.gov account if you don't have one. This allows you to apply online, which is the fastest method and lets you track your claim status. Step 4. Complete VA Form 21-526 EZ, the application for disability compensation and related compensation benefits. Provide detailed information about each condition you're claiming. Step 5. Establish service connection by showing three key elements: a current diagnosed disability, an in-service event or injury, and a medical nexus linking your current condition to your service. Step 6. Submit buddy statements from fellow service members who can verify in-service events or injuries. These can be powerful evidence, especially if service medical records are limited. Step 7. Attend all VA medical examinations scheduled for you. These compensation and pension exams are critical for establishing the severity of your conditions. Be honest about your worst days, not your best. Step 8. Consider working with a veterans service organization or accredited representative who can help you navigate the process, gather evidence, and avoid common mistakes that lead to denials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.